everybody. Today is Friday and we're going to try to do a somewhat little home ec kind of assignment that you can do there at home, but we're still going to follow with our idea of circles. So if you have these items around your house, you're going to need like a zip bag that locks and flour. You could also use salt or sand in this assignment. So anything that you might have. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Ziploc, we're going to open it up, and then we're going to put some flour, and your child could help you pour this. Okay, and we're going to seal it up because we don't want any of it to fall out and make a mess. And then basically what you're going to do, let me see if I can get a piece of, maybe this, because it might be harder to see white on a white table. Okay. Make sure you get the air out of the bag and seal it. Can you see this? So what we're going to do is just sort of put the flour and pat it out. And then what we're going to do is you can try different ways of making circles that could be fun with your child. The first one would just be using your finger and just going ahead and making a circle just right in there so you can see the circle. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up, but a circle. And they can feel the different texture of that. Then you can start all over just as easy as just doing that. And then what I found in our house, like on our chives, you can take off your lid and then you've got a different circle. So they could make different circles there. Can you see that? So you could have like a medium circle that they can see. And then we can just clean that right off. And like with our hot sauce, we have a smaller circle. So we could do small circles. Just like that. Then we can clean it off. And then with this, I have a larger circle. And they can do that and make different circles. So, and then if you want, you could even do one where you could ask your child which one was the smaller circle and have them point to the smaller one or the bigger one. Or then again, you can ask them, which one is the bigger circle? Is it this one or that one? You can also do that just by doing it this way. Say, which one's the bigger circle? Can you point to the bigger circle? Or can you point to the smaller circle? Then we can also do sequencing. We could say, put things in order from smallest to biggest. Which one is the smallest? The second one, and the last one, the biggest one. So you could do it in this order or backwards from biggest to smallest. And then if you wanted to, you could also try doing this if you want to work with money and show different things with money. Like here's a penny. And how big is a penny? How big is the circle of the penny? Is this bigger or is a quarter bigger? And they can see the difference between the size a quarter makes and a size a penny makes. So there's our lesson for today involving circles. So all you need is some flour, a zippy bag that has the lock so that everything doesn't get messed up, or you could put sand in here or maybe even salt if you have either one of those. And then just around our house we have different types of circles, like on our hot sauce, on our chives, or even on our sea salt. You could also use the bottoms of them too, sort of like stamps. So around our house, we have a whole bunch of different things that could be circles. So if you try this at home, let me know how it goes. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. Bye all. Love you.